Yeah. What's up, everybody? It's Jason Will, keep it real, FOREX KING, back for a weekly forward forecast for the week of the 19th to the 24th. And this week's gonna be interesting. This is the week where we have a holiday for the US, MLK Day, as well as the presidential inauguration. So Monday's about to be a slow day in the markets slash interesting in the markets due to what's happening. So the thing we do every week, we go to forwardfactor.com and we check out a calendar. As you can see, for Sunday, there's not too much things going on. It's a lot of low impact news events throughout the day. Getting to Monday, you have USD where it's a bank holiday, so it shouldn't be too crazy movements because the bank is closed. Bank usually pulls a lot of volatility in the market, so if the bank's closed, the pair usually go slower. And then we get Tuesday, which is gonna be the big day. This is the day, the markets after the holiday, as well as Trump taking, charge and stuff. So there's gonna be a lot of news in New York sessions affecting the CAD pair. So be mindful of your scalping, as well as in London session affecting the pound. And then we get into Wednesday, which is decent amount of news, mostly low impact news throughout the day, affecting the CAD and USD. Thursday's gonna be heavy news for the CAD. For those who trade the CAD, just be mindful, as well as USD pair for the unemployment claims. And then for Asian session, you got the JPY, where it's gonna be tentative. They don't have an exact date or time that's gonna news gonna release, but there's gonna be a lot of volatility since there's a lot of news coming out for the JPY. And then Friday to end the week, there's a lot of news in London session affecting the euro as well as the pound. So be mindful, especially if you're scalping. And then you have big news during USD during New York session. So that's happening in a week. There's be a lot of good stuff happening starting from Tuesday. So right now this week, we're gonna focus on the pair GBP USD. As you can see, um, we are retracing down to end the week. The Friday's candles are 4 hours, so 4 hour chart. So I do expect us to potentially either retest the previous low or create a support to shoot back up. That's one option. Or we could literally break through and create a new low. So just be mindful how the market reacts around a 78.6 retracement. So this is usually the retracements. So just be mindful. And also share what you see now, what you think. And just be mindful for the news events happening this week because the news usually helps with determining the flow of the market. And now for the Euro CHF, if we check to see what's going on, let's see for 1 hour chart. Okay, let's go to the US 30. So the Dow. So right now for the Dow, I see an uptrend. So it's gonna be mindful to either get in a trade when it traces down as a shoot up, or it could literally retrace down here, create a support, and then shoot back up, or we could literally break through and then come back down. So there's like three plays: a continuation play, a down retracement, create support play, and a break the zone play. But right now it's uptrend for US 30, so focus on buys. As for gold, for those who trade gold, be mindful. Gold like to take off. So right now we're in a slight retracement upwards. So we can literally break through the zone that's been ranging in and go to new highs, or we could come back down one more time and create a area of retracement through support and then shoot back up to see if we break the zone. Worst case, we come down, we could test the zone since this was a previous area of strong support. And since this is a daily candle, each candle takes a day to appear, so it could be a while before it drops down, and it could be a while before it breaks through. And Bitcoin, for those who trade Bitcoin right now, we're in an interesting area. The market is retracing, so trying to create some support, so we could literally slowly come back up, or we could literally slowly come and break down. But we have a wick here that's trapping some of the sellers. So I do see us potentially coming back up to the upside. And we have XRP. Similar concept. We broke down, so I do see us having a continuation to the downside or retracement and then come back down some more. So just focus on sales for Ripple. So that's pretty much what I see right now in the markets concerning the charts. So just be mindful of what you see and practice good risk management should be all right. So that's all I have. And have a safe, positive trading week, y'all. Take care.